Gemini recently released a huge update in creating documents right inside your Gemini, and these will be linked to your workspace, and whatever you create on Gemini you can find on your workspace. So when you land here, there's nothing that you could click. You just go to the prompt and you type a prompt and you ask Gemini to create a document. So I've asked it to create a document and go research for me the changes that they've recently released the 29th of April, and you write create a Google Doc in order for it to create the document, and you press enter and then it starts generating the document. As you see, it will ask you to link it to your workspace if you haven't done so. If you have, it will generate and create the Google Doc. I'm using the free account right now, and the document is created and can be created on free, of course on paid as well. So it creates and gives you more information of what kind of documents has been added with this new feature. In order to access it, you can click on the icon first to go and have a preview. So when you click and open the preview, you get to view the document. You can download the document if you want to, and then you can view it without download. If you want to open it up so that it opens up on your workspace, then you need to go back and close and click on the link in order to access the Google Doc document. So these are the changes that you see that have been added to Gemini and the features. But what's really powerful is the integration of the workspace and Gemini. So if you refresh on your workspace, the document is going to show there and it's going to lie there until eventually you delete it. But the two are talking together. This is a nice overview to see the files that you can create with Gemini AI, and so that it gives you an idea. So let's look at the summary of the features that you can use. We've just seen how it generates documents and sheets and Excels and all of that. And we also know that it synthesizes the information from your Drive, your Gmail, as well as the web. And it cites it so that you can go find it. And then the other feature is reference file. So in other words, if you use it and you ask the tool to go to your Drive or your Gmail to go find the information there for you in order for it to generate the file, that's pretty cool and powerful. The other one, it matches the writing style. So if your tone is funny on a document, it can match that style that you have created and it's on your workspace, and it creates matching that style. The other one is Ask Gemini. This is the feature that's available to paid users, and you can ask Gemini to make changes, etc. So all of these tools are available, or the features, with this launch. I'm going to ask the tool to create a Google Sheet for me, where if I sell ebooks to 100 people at 150 per person, as well as if I'm paying kind of a pro 150 and Google A1 plus. So I'm going to press create and ask for it to create a Google Sheet for me, just to show you that it can do the same. And there you go, it does create the Google Sheets. So if you want to view it, you click on it so that you're able to view, like we've seen now on the Google Doc. And then it opens up the projections. If you want to view the actual document and make sure that it opens up to your workspace, you're going to click on the links and you can do the necessary when you're using your Google Sheet.
So if we want to go ahead and make a slide deck of this or additional information, we can go ahead and do that with our chat. We ask Gemini, can you convert? And then we press enter to get the tool to convert this to a slide deck for us. Okay, awesome. I asked it to include a colorful features as well as beautiful aesthetic with visual storytelling. So it creates it inside the chat that we're currently in. When we want to open it, we click on open and it opens inside your Gemini. And then you are able to view it and see if you like it. A nice colorful storytelling. It included that. If I want to now go and make more edits and change it, I select export to slides, and then it opens Google Slide. And then it's done. We're going to click on Open Slides, and then we open up Google Slides with the changes that we want to make. We go ahead and make it like you would perform it on your Google Slides. Cool, right? Let me know if this is something you're going to be using. I think it's quite insane. If I say so myself, it looks really, really good. And I love it, and I'm going to definitely use it. Let me know if you're going to be using it. So we're going to continue our activity, and we're going to ask the tool to create a PDF for us using what we've been creating just now. And then we wait. And then our PDF is also created. We are clicking to views. Now you know how to open it up. And then it shows us the financial risk and opportunity of starting this kind of business and the risks that you're probably going to encounter. And there's your PDF. You can click to download it if you want to download it. With the upgrade, I know it comes with VEO to create videos. So while I'm telling this story and showing you these changes, I want the tool to create a video for me that is Pixar illustrated, explaining what's going on, and then sending them to my school community. I'm going to get it to create this for me. And now it's generating the video. It's going to take 1 to 2 minutes, so we wait. Our video is ready. Let's have a look.
We're making some big changes to how we operate. To find out more and join our community, make sure you visit Learn with Czar on School Today.
To learn and create your own digital products, head over to this video and learn.